There it is.
And he's
Hey,
going 120
you're
miles an
like
hour.
very
Oh
muted.
my god.
Oh, why is the
shit,
guns
they're-
being pointed
wow,
at me?
And he just
okay.
passed you.
Okay. Oh my god, that's a lot.
They can't
Wait,
arrest
is he
us.
arresting me?
They can't arrest us for
Alright,
nothing.
They're-
Alright, sir,
they're
just
just
for the
sitting
moment
on
here,
station.
just so we get
Alright,
everything
just
cleared up,
lawyer
you
up
can
then.
go ahead
Just
and go
ask for
ahead
lawyers.
and
Say that
open
you have your
or throw the
lawyer,
keys
whatever.
out
They can
the
only
left
detain you
window
for
and step out, face away with those
24
hands
hours
up.
anyways. We gotta get it.
Listen, I just want
There
my
are
money.
quite a bit of moles. There's quite a bit of moles in our organization, so we gotta crack down on these people. You know.
We need to
We
get
had
rid of
2
all these
people
moles.
killed
We
this
kill
week.
him.
We had 2
We need to
people
kill
killed
him,
this week.
almost.
Yeah. Yeah, 2 people we gotta shoot this week.
They're
because
just
of
sitting
this
on the
shit.
road down
Wow.
there.
One of them.
Oh, they're coming up. They're coming up. Multiple. Get back.
Cameron, get in front of your car.
We gotta get.
I think I hear sounds.
Gotta get what do you call it?
Gotta get these moles under the check.
We gotta work on distribution, and you gotta get these out to the dealers. As we speak, they're probably going out, getting the the drugs in the hands of regular day citizens.
All right, keep
Uh,
your voice down. Keep your
how much
voice
is it-
down. You
how
know,
much
you
is
don't
it
know
gonna go
who's
for?
around here.
Well, I got about 15
Man,
semi-loads that's
should-
now in town.
How much is this gonna go for? How much are you gonna sell this shit for?
Well, a couple grams is probably gonna be like $30 a pop.
Shoot, I've been having my
Yeah,
guys
I'll
sell
make
it
us-
2K an ounce.
I was thinking like 200 a point.
Yeah.
Like,
Okay.
so
Well,
we should do like 200.
listen,
Let's
I'm in
try to
charge
get as
of.
much money as we can.
I'm in charge of distribution. No, not distribution. I'm in charge of security. You understand? So that ain't my job to set what price there is. But there's so much
Then whose
stuff
job
going on
is it?
right now.
That'd be me.
Whose job is it?
Hey,
That'd be
keep
me.
your guys' voice
Oh,
down.
you raised prices right now.
Yeah,
This
I've
is
been
too
having
little.
my,
We need to be making more.
I've been having my guys
rich
getting
as
rid of
fuck,
them
alright?
2K an ounce. And that's been bringing in a good amount of money.
All right.
It's only
All right. There we go.
$2,000.
Yeah, it's $2 grand an ounce.
But it mean 2 grand. But everybody
That's
ain't
some change.
fortunate enough. Everybody don't have that money. So we gotta
Well,
make it nice
listen.
and consumable enough.
Listen, there's 32 grams an ounce. So, you get rid of it at $200 a gram, it'll still work out.
Precisely.
How about we overcharge the rich people?
Shoot,
I
if they
mean,
want,
we could do that.
Now we're gonna
That's-
lose their business.
Yeah.
well, if they want to get a good
who's
amount of
this-
quality, we're going
who's
to give
this
them
right here?
the money for their...
Who the hell is that?
Oh, who was this?
Hey, it's your name, Alpha. You better get the hell out of here.
Listen, like
Keep
I
it moving,
said,
Grandpa.
we're going to sit with around $2,000, $2,500 an ounce. Now, if it comes down to someone wants more, we can fluctuate the price. You guys, I trust you guys to be doing
Yeah.
it right. I'll back your decision. Now, if you guys fuck me on money, I'm going to fuck your life up. You understand?
Well, easily. I'm in charge of security, so as long as I get my cut for protecting you guys, then that's fine. I got some of the best damn assassins about, so
Listen, the guy, Big Boss, if I fuck up, my ass is gone. I don't need to be fucking up. Y'all don't need to be fucking up and getting my life dead. You
I see them.
understand?
They're slowly moving up.
right, I got
So
you, but
we
still.
won't even make $2,000 on this sale.
Listen, an ounce is a lot
It's
as much
each
as...
sale.
Yeah, it's 2,000 an ounce. That's still a lot of money per ounce. These
Yeah,
street
they're
drugs
making
are only going around
Quite a bit.
$500-$600 an ounce. So think about it. We're almost 5 times that amount of money. Come on now.
Yeah, we got it covered. Alright, so after this scene, right, we're gonna have somebody have a truck that's gonna get busted. And, let's say, then, I guess me and Josh can do the homicide.
Alright.
So then Cameron and Omar, you do the truck that gets busted, basically. Just get sting. So, remember, no priorities. Let's let
Are
it
we
be
gonna
like a
be-
code 5 at the most.
Will it be in one truck or 2 trucks?
You can be in one truck, because usually when they're transporting stuff like that, there are 2 people in a truck. One person doesn't usually stay in the truck.
Bro, they're hiding behind. Oh, this. They're hiding behind a
Well,
tree.
They're probably trying to slowly
Wow.
move up
Oh,
and try
yeah.
catching us off guard.
Yeah.
Wait, let me see.
All
Oh,
I,
yeah.
all I know
Oh,
is my
shit.
boss ain't happy.
You see there's somebody hiding behind a tree.
Yeah. Okay. So if you go like where I am and you just look straight, there's like a tree. Like it's basically you see there's like pile of logs over there. You can barely make out a BCSO Explorer. It just
Alright,
like the back of it.
Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah.
Alright,
I see
you
those
wanna
headlights,
guys
too.
instead
headlights.
you want us all to probably like leave in different directions.
And see which one they get.
Yeah.
All right.
So
Oh, what we're leaving
oh,
right
just
Alright.
like run back to your car. Me and Josh, we go together. You and Cameron go together. You guys go head out to the colony. Me and Josh will stay in Toledo. We do a homicide up here, and then you and Cameron do the trucks when you get into BCSO in Great Grand Sonora.
Cameron, you
Alright,
and
we'll take
Omar
that
go off the
tunnel.
opposite way.
Go
Okay,
that
yeah.
tunnel. There's that tunnel.
now.
Yeah,
Omar,
so
you
go
lead.
through the tunnel.
Omar, lead.
Oh. So it's gonna be this way.
One sec, don't grab my ass.
Oh,
'cause-
I'm the yellow lights.
I'm trying my best.
Oh, fuck.
There are cops everywhere.
Just keep going. Just keep going.
Oh my god,
Fuck.
they're
Oh, you guys got pinched? You guys got pinched?
Oh, just keep going, Omar. Just keep going a little bit. Just a
They
little
got
bit.
them
Oh,
on.
God.
They got
Nah,
one on us.
we
got
have one on us.
Yeah.
Alright,
Yeah,
let's go
they're
speed
moving
limit.
up. Right when we left,
Oh, they're
they
using the
moved
new
up.
BCSO cars. What
The
is
new
that?
BCSO calls?
Yeah, this is a new fleet.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, the lighting
Who are they
pattern's
after?
Well, there's one on us. The rest are going after you
Keep
guys.
going, Josh. Keep
Yeah,
going.
look at
Well, I was
that
going
white
right
ball.
because make it look like we're not sticking together.
That's a different white ball, isn't
The
it?
other one's probably gonna come after you now.
Oh shoot, we got another one on us.
The other one's coming for you.
God damn, that
look at-
BCSO
coming for you.
charger. Holy
got Gilfillan on us.
shit. Look at that charger. Oh my
You should see our
fucking god.
truck though. I've seen the truck. It's
Look at the white powder and the oh my
I thought
god.
they were gonna bust it.
I
thought
know,
they were
I
gonna
have
come
one
for you.
on me.
I have one on me too. If I wanted to make this a priority, I'll make this. I could make this a priority. I think I'm getting code 5 actually.
I don't know, do they have enough people to do a code 5 on all of us?
No. Oh, never mind. He's doing a truck.
I mean, they have like 6 cops on the scene. Probably more.
Okay, I'm starting
Alright,
to
so remember,
lag a little bit.
Cameron, you got a box, an empty box in the back of your vehicle. You don't have anything on you. Everybody doesn't have anything on them. I don't have anything on me as well.
What about my revolver?
You can say that, but as long as it's registered, you're fine.
Alright.
What are they doing?
Also, how are there 2 BCSO Explorers when none of the other
Everybody's in BCSO Explorers because we were off-road, so I guess everybody started.
But there's
getting
a freaking charger right here. This seems legit.
I think there's a trooper with a
Satchel.
BCSO. So, because
Satchel.
one of the guys on me, there's a trooper in the BCSO vehicle.
Well,
And-
see, I have a
and the-
Ford Explorer on me.
Did they stack
Alright,
up?
everybody's in BCS in Ford Explorers. I have one BCSO on me.
I guess
Oh,
they
shit.
stacked up then. That's Dillon in the Tahoe.
Okay. He's got tint on. We
He's-
can't even see
Yeah,
his
he's
bike.
SLU.
Oh, his car's messed up on my
can-
screen.
Yeah, I can barely make out his plate saying 541. But so.
Yeah,
well, it
Yeah,
happens.
there's a
Yep.
charger right there, the new charger.
That
Well,
white
my guy
ball,
hasn't
though.
even got out yet.
My guy hasn't gone out yet.
Message me.
They're
No,
just,
can you
yeah, they're
hurry
just
up? I got
sitting in their
places to go.
cars.
There's 2 more coming up to you guys.
Oh, great.
There's one on me, one on Josh.
Are they gonna try to code 5 Me and
Sorry
Omar,
about that,
maybe?
sir. Kind of a little hectic.
Maybe they're trying to code 5 everybody.
All right.
Deputy Hayes
Oh,
of
they're
the
pulling
Lake County
up. What are
Sheriff's
they doing?
Office, so I'm
Oh,
pretty
we've
sure
got
you probably know
another
why we're
freaking
stopping you.
BCSO on us.
Actually, I do not.
Yeah, there's a trooper coming as well.
Oh, we've had
Oh, great.
an
Well, yeah,
anonymous
because
tip
there's
that
2 people over
some
here, so...
interesting hands-offs were going on at the lumberyard.
Oh, yeah, here's the trooper.
And had
Oh, they-
four vehicles, and 2 of them took off, which have been the
Oh, never mind, they're
one
turning
before
around.
you and
They
then
just went
you
back
as
down
well.
the mountain.
So we're just
No,
trying to figure
one's
out what's
probably
going
coming
on.
over
Figure
here
out
by
what
me.
Oh,
And one's
yeah,
gonna
we
go to
are.
Josh.
a little odd for
I think they're
people
gonna
to
code
have
5 me and Omar.
up
Yeah,
there at
we have
this late at
feeling
night.
supply.
We were having a car meet, you know, and then it started getting daylight, and
fourth
I have a
doesn't
job
make
to get
sense.
to.
3 would make sense because they can
Yeah.
get.
Okay, so
everyone.
just car meet, nothing strange or
This
anything
guy's
like
just
that.
No,
None
that
of
guy hasn't
them-
got on the car yet.
I have nothing
What
in my
about you,
car,
Josh?
nothing.
Okay.
How much? You said you got 3 on you two? Alright, one
You
got
have your license
one came over here
registration.
by
Just
me.
check it
Yes,
over.
sir, I
The
do.
trooper came over here by me.
Okay, awesome. So you're not aware, like, if any of them had anything, like, were meeting up for anything other than car meet?
Nah, we just were doing a car meet.
Alright, so what's gonna happen, Josh, right?
Okay.
There's gonna be a homicide.
Alright,
I'm
just give
gonna
me
be
just
the
a
one
sec,
that made the 911
Mr.
call
Lewis, alright?
to
Alright.
dispatch.
All right, I told him that we were doing
So-
a car meet.
Alright, car meet, everybody. That's the story, car meet.
Okay.
We were just friends at a car meet talking. Alright, what are you guys' characters' names?
Mine's Grumpy Lewis,
Mine's Angel.
Swanson.
Yeah.
Hey.
What's yours, Omar?
Frank, spill it.
Frank Spirit. Yeah.
Yeah,
Got it.
you've got 1 viewers.
I got what?
1 viewers.
Oh. Hi, y'all.
Who keeps messaging me into this?
I'm gonna turn my car off. Because I'm gonna be super compliant, you know, gonna be an upstanding citizen.
Oh, what are they doing? Oh, they're code 5 us. Oh, good God.
Well, they ain't got shit on you, so don't worry about it.
I'll
Just
turn
take
my
the code
engine
back.
off.
I turn mine off too.
Do the same.
Same.
Hey, Mr. Lewis. Somebody go ahead and hand you this back.
All
Should we
right,
say that we
thank you.
do have
So,
permission or no permission at the sawmill?
Am I allowed to
Just-
go?
Just want to get,
Oh,
just want to get just a
great.
little info. So,
Basically, my character is the boss of
are
that.
you, or do you know
so-
who, like,
like
was it you,
gunpoint.
or was it one of them that called the car meeting?
Yeah, you're getting
Oh.
code 5.
It was
Dude,
one of them. I just got
and that's
invited
our
to
you.
it.
Look at that code 5. There what it is.
Okay.
I would love to see you guys respect him,
what
honestly.
the-
Take
Okay, so it's
pictures
one
and
of
I'll
them. Alright.
send
Let me
them. What
walk out of this. Oh my
And then you said
Yeah.
you
damn.
You
got the
said you
job. Is
didn't
it still
take a picture?
the, I assume the
I'll
truck
take
is all
pictures.
set up?
One now.
Alright, take
Well,
some
one
pictures.
second. I have a lot of people
Nice.
talking to my
I
ear.
want
One
to see that.
moment.
I want to see how they code
All right, you
5
guys. I gotta deafen up real quick because I have him talking to me.
Okay. No.
All right, now what was that you were saying?
No, you're good. It's the trucking job, if I remember correctly, right?
Yeah, I own a trucking company.
Yeah, because I remember because we had stopped you a couple times, and then it was the, and then you had your special cargo transportation because you do some drop-offs and pickups over there at the airfield in Sandia.
Yeah, that's correct.
I almost got everything finished. I'm just waiting for information from one of our higher-ups, just to confirm something for me, and then we'll be getting you on your way. All right?
All right, yeah. You got like I'm running behind to get to work. Is there any way you could speed it up?
Yeah. Let me go back to my car and reach out to them real fast.
All right, thank you.
They're
All right,
ready
I'm
on
back.
you guys. Alright, what did you say?
I told him I was just up there for a car meet. I got invited to a car meet, and we were up there all hanging out as friends. I'm like, I have to get back to work. I'm about to run late. You see, it's getting daylight. He's like, oh yeah, you run that trunking company where we had to deal with the airfield stuff. I'm like, yeah, man. He's like, okay, I'll get you out here fast.
Oh! Okay. Well, that's one way to get your character out of that. We've
What
got
happened?
a deputy going up the side of a mountain,
Oh boy.
trying to handcuff Omar.
Did Omar run or something?
No, like they were there wasn't enough room for them to pass through their doorway, so they had to run up the mountain a little bit.
Oh, okay. I see.
Look, I told him I had to hurry up and get to work, and he's keeping me from there. He's like, all right, man, we're almost done here. I'll get you out here soon. He's like, as far as I see, you did nothing wrong,
Okay. Who's that on you?
Jordan.
Oh. Okay.
Jordan H, I think.
Oh, you're lucky that you got Jordan on there. He's gonna cut you a huge.
It goes fine.
Yeah.
Alright, it's just gonna be
So,
just one more
I mean-
moment. I'm sorry, their
They're
radios
just
are going
waiting
haywire.
Well,
on
They're like
If it'd be
Dillon's
better, I can give you a
characters, like,
contact
bugging
number to
out for me.
contact me. I have a load. I
Yeah,
have to.
he's
It's
doing
a
some
priority
weird
load.
shit.
I have to get it going.
All right. So what I was thinking as well.
Okay, yeah, let me.
When you guys
get
get
a
pulled
new
over for the
here.
trucking thing, let the trucking company be Josh's company, basically. So
My
J.
number's gonna be
Lewis Trucking
14.
or whatever. You can give him a card or whatever, saying
Alright,
that it's the
14,
trucking
okay.
company, etc.
Like this load
Okay.
has to go from the military base
No, they're
all
taking
the way
so long. What's going on?
to the lab. Over near
These
Sandy.
cops
This is a
find
priority
some
load.
idiot
I have
shit
to go
to
pick
take
up my
mile long.
semi and
Yeah,
get
I
there.
don't know.
Are they gonna have at least an escort to help you out?
Yeah, I have a 4 private, like it's private military. I got 4 people escorting me. I'll have one guy in my semi with me.
Phew, I would not. I mean, I could trust them because they're military, but in the end, it's like, Alright, I'm
know.
gonna help one more time, and if I don't get our word, then I'll let you go.
All right,
Since I
thank
got
you,
your
much
number.
appreciated.
Yeah.
I'm like, is there any way we can speed this up? I'll give you my number. You guys could call me if you have questions. I got a high priority semi load I have to get to. Like this, I gotta take a load from the military base all the way to Humane Labs.
Yeah, so. I mean, that could be hijacked too. Huh.
Did I just give you another idea?
Yes, you did. You did. You did.
God
You
damn.
actually did. We hijack it in 2 cars, right? Where you get your stuff taken on Route 68. One car, which will be the one from me, comes down Polito. The other one goes to, which will have Cameron and Omar over there in Sandy.
Right, Omar, is Chad's car for you
Yeah.
messed up as well?
I
Like
believe
his
one of
light
them's gonna be
pattern
right
is,
by real fast.
or
Ask me a
not
question,
not the
and
light
then
pattern,
I'll
but
let you
like,
go.
Yeah,
That way
I
they
meant
can get you up there in time.
My bad.
All right.
Dylan?
Chad, you said Chad's car.
oh,
They're not telling
Sorry,
me what,
yeah.
so
Do you see the
they'll
light
literally just
side of
right
the
down
car,
road,
too?
So.
Yeah,
All
because
right.
Probably
I have
seconds,
nothing to
anything,
worry
so
about on me.
the
Like
lights
I
will
said, if
get
I'm
screwed
with
up.
this military
Yeah,
job,
yeah.
I can't even carry a knife on me. They told me I
That's
can't have a
heavy
lighter
for
or
Really?
nothing.
cheese.
Yeah, it's pure black.
Oh, I can kind
Oh,
of get
Apex
that.
too. Huh.
Yeah, I'm picking up at the military base,
But
dropping
lighter,
off at the
'cause-
Humane
Oh,
Labs.
his mic. What is going on with his? Whose mic
Oh,
was
Humane's
that?
Lab, yeah, that could be unstable.
Actual.
Something
Not
unstable that can
message
cause.
Yeah,
BC, I guess I'm gonna.
I know it's some
Spark.
type of tanker load. They had to make sure I had my hazmat.
Yeah, no. I did hazmat one year and I hated it.
Yeah, man. So,
Accidentally just
like I
talking
said,
game.
the sooner
I
I can
mean,
get out here and get on that load, shoot,
You
that thing
said
pays
social.
$20,000.
Game. Damn it, it
Holy
is.
crap. Alright. Yeah,
It's like
they're
they want you to find
headed this way now. They just called over, so. They're literally right down there at the corner, so.
All right, can I ask what the main reason that you even stopped me for?
On the small bar.
Pretty much what it, or like I said, we had a call of some suspicious things going down at the lumberyard, and
Say the same thing.
vehicles were seen,
box,
4
nothing in
vehicles at the lumberyard. Things was witness handed off, and then pretty much we're at where we're at, to where we have you, the other individual back there, and then
I
the
actually
2
got to go
that,
after this
that
scene,
left
unfortunately.
afterwards.
All
But I
right,
probably will be on
but
later.
like I
So
said,
they're just trying
no
to make
problem.
sure, because I mean, like I said,
Where are
I
they going?
know you, so I worked with you a little bit, so.
No idea.
right.
What happened?
You
Then
know all my
he-
stuff
he
is
just
legit.
Hit Dylan's.
Oh, yeah,
tongue.
Not of mine,
I've actually
but
talked to one
You
of the
saw it move.
MCCD or MCCID or whatever they
I think there's
Or
a
the state
BCSO coming
troopers,
down to you, Chad. To
Yeah, they're probably
looking
gonna
at it.
profile me. They got you both in custody.
And I got the
yeah,
for
we're
filing
at
all the
the
special
backseat of
documents and
the
stuff.
cars.
All right, I don't know what that trooper's doing because
So
he's
is
parked
it
all
call
weird.
me or what is this?
Tommy.
Let me. I was
Let's say,
actually gonna.
let's
ask
say
him. I think it's
Tommy.
because of that
We all have the same stories.
sign
Oh,
into
they're
the
going
biker and then
code
the
through-
fire
oh,
extinguisher. Not fire
Dylan
extinguisher,
just-
fire-
They're smashing it.
There's
I
All
hear
right.
so
There's a
many,
Let
Let me just ask him real quick,
goddamn
because
silence.
he's the one that.
So many silence.
Oh,
So
we're
many.
that dangerous? Am I that dangerous? Oh, that light bar's ugly,
Okay, just give me
bro.
one
What
second,
the?
right?
I like it.
I just had a trooper pull up on me.
Yeah, they're
I
coming
hear
out.
so many sounds, it's not even funny.
Yo,
Oh,
Dylan
so
is
many.
smashing it.
God.
Yo, he's smashing, bro.
bad.
He's coming for you,
He-
Josh.
He's going 100.
He's
going
going
the wrong
120.
way.
Oncoming
oh
lead.
Code
There it is.
And he's
I-
going 120
You're,
miles an
like,
hour.
very
Oh
muted.
my god.
I meant to say
Whoa,
that.
whoa,
Oh,
whoa! Why is
shit,
guns
they're-
being
And,
pulled on
wow,
me?
and he
okay.
just passed you.
Okay. Oh my god, that's a lot.
They can't
Wait,
arrest
is he
us.
arresting me?
They can't arrest us for
Roger.
nothing.
They're-
All right, sir.
They're
Just
the
for the moment
city-
here, just so we get everything
Alright, just
cleared off,
lawyer
you
up then.
good
Just
and go
ask for
ahead and
lawyers. Say that
open
you have your
or throw
lawyer
the
or
keys
whatever.
out
They can
the
only
left
detain you
window
for
and step out, face away with those
24
hands
hours
up.
anyways. We gotta get a beginning out of the jail, so it doesn't matter.
All right, just go. Nope, face away from us. There you go, and just look through your eye. There you go. All right, so go ahead and
Because they
take
don't
2
have
steps
any
to the
concrete
left.
evidence that it was a drug deal. Just because somebody says
All
it's
right,
a drug deal,
and
they didn't find
then
any
2
drugs,
steps
didn't
back.
find any money, didn't find anything that incriminates us. So,
Okay. And then now you're gonna go to the right about 5 steps.
bro, I don't understand. They were flying. Josh probably has a couple people on him.
Alright.
I got 3 on me. Like Jordan was
I'm gonna
being
come
cool,
around to
and
the
then
right
Ansho and
of you.
I think this is Drake pulled up, and then code
So I
5
can
me.
make sure there's a cross.
Oh, so you're getting code
Yep,
5?
I'm
You
just
ain't
trying to
got
get
right
the,
now?
or get you
Yeah,
cross. Alright, you're
I'm
good.
out on my knees with my hands up.
Nobody's talking to me yet.
What the fuck is going on? I did nothing
We
wrong.
got Dylan and Blake coming over to you guys now.
I'll explain later.
Blake's SRU.
Alright, sir, go ahead and stand
up for me.
Oh, yeah.
Vehicle's clear.
Yeah, they're
This
code.
is
there
complete
goes Dylan.
bullshit.
They're about to code 5 me now.
Whose car am I putting them in?
I
I
got
want
4 on
every
me.
one of your guys' badge numbers. This is bullshit.
Well, you're about to have a ton of it on you. Yeah, look at the other one going.
I want everyone's badge numbers. This
Alright.
is bullshit.
This-
I
I
did
got
nothing
4
wrong.
cops on me.
Oh,
Why
yeah.
do I have
Mr.
4
Jordan.
cops on me? What did I do?
And we tried
You know
to
what
wait.
it is? You
We
know
tried
what
to
it
wait.
is? You know is what it is? It's because I'm the most dangerous out of all of you. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. But seriously.
Well, that would just be metagaming.
I want badge numbers.
Yeah.
I'll give you a badge number in a
Yeah, I'm
second.
about to get code 5. Super
Alright, his
hard.
name is Grumpy Lewis. He didn't have much on him. I'm just gonna go ahead and take that off him and I'll place it on.
They're blocking traffic
your
and
hood?
everything, so.
Yeah, that's fine.
I want every one of your bosses. This is bullshit. I did nothing wrong.
All the bosses, my boss is right there behind us. Or in
Bro,
front of
why are
me.
they.
Like,
What-
what,
what-
the
what
hell?
did I
was
do?
cooperated this
I
whole
didn't
damn
do shit.
time.
Why do I need a code 5 stop?
Part of protocol, unfortunately.
If I knew it was gonna be like this, I would have
Hey.
freaking got out of here. Cause this is bullshit.
Trooper or deputy, do you mind
Holy
which car I
shit.
put him in, or do you want me to just?
Okay.
Are
put
you
mine
the
for time
supervisor?
being?
Cause I want your badge number 2.
Now
I did
they
nothing
getting
wrong.
all over the
Doesn't really
code
matter
5
for now.
I'm
Close your
gonna
door so that way it's not left open. Yeah, it doesn't matter which
Yeah.
one.
I'm
I'm
be
gonna put him
back in
here
one
for the time being.
You're like still muffled. You sound like you got a frog.
They think I'm gonna run. They think I'm gonna run.
Well, Ansho just crashed.
Yeah. They think I'm gonna run.
I could have ran if I wanted to, but
Alright, sir, watch your head as I'm placing you into the vehicle up. Oh, okay.
y'all are looking at a large lawsuit. I have a military job I have to get to.
Alright, ID of the man's gonna be Grumpy Lewis. I don't know if that was
Yeah.
information that was already
Yeah,
known
that's-
or not.
Yeah.
Bro, they
Yeah, I
just
got
left
it.
me and
My
Omar's
sergeant got his
vehicles up at
information and
that.
stuff. Went through a proper one.
Up
for
in the
now.
mountain.
Yeah.
Alright.
And I've worked with them a couple of times previously, so I knew who it was from the start. So for what Ensol said, go ahead and believe. Not sure if we're taking them over here to Polito or if we're taking them to BCSO and question them all there.
We're all getting took to
Just
the
for,
jail to
quick
get
clarity,
questioned.
What
Yeah.
kind of scene here am I
Yeah, me and
involved in
Omar
that
are
I
already
just
there.
got caught up in?
So
You're looking at a large lawsuit.
Here,
That's what
let's
you're
go.
looking at.
Here, come over here.
Oh yeah, let me do that.
Oh, there it is. What the?
I've got a.
Oh, I'm giving them
Make-
hell. I don't know about you guys, but I'm giving them hell.
You drunk? What the? Ah,
Oh, Steve's legit.
damn,
Okay,
one
is my
leg
voice box
stand up in
any
this.
better?
Well, no, do you see my character's
Okay.
torso?
Yeah. Got what?
I want a
I don't know how you got
supervisor.
dead.
I want the supervisor.
Omar, watch this.
This guy. Okay, what? Hold up.
What?
You're going to identify yourself for me.
My name is Grumpy
Wait,
Lewis. Y'all are interfering with me
fucking
doing my
floating.
military job, and now I want everyone's badge numbers. I'm about to sue your whole
You
department.
going to heaven? Oh,
Matter.
Okay.
what
you
the
can get
hell?
all the badge numbers you want. We can arrange that out for you.
I
I'm gonna
did
ask you a few
nothing
questions,
wrong.
alright? Just for your records. Okay. Well, you're not being arrested. It's detained at this time. All right.
Well, I'm in the backseat of a cop car in handcuffs, and I was being cooperative with that sheriff.
That's right. Okay, so what were you doing up there?
Like I told the
at
deputy, we were
Lumberyard.
having a car meet.
If it's an officer's almost besides
Car meet.
one.
And what's the briefcase? The car meet? You passing around nitro fuel or something? Like what's in that briefcase?
I didn't have no
Dumbass
briefcase on
car.
me.
LOL.
Well, briefcase were exchanged.
None that I seen. I was up there in my car. Look at my car. You think I'm going to do something stupid to lose a $300,000 car?
Okay, what's in that car? 300,000. Even a Hellcat goes for like 120.
Jeez.
I have performance parts in there.
Okay. And your name, you said, was Grumpy Lewis, right?
Yes, I've been cooperative the whole time with that sheriff. I
Yeah,
find this
nothing up here.
unnecessary for me to get took out my car and in
Officer,
handcuffs.
delivery.
There's a
quick.
face cam. I didn't feel it doing face cam tonight because tonight is very, very hot.
Yeah, I'm getting took to GOH. I'm passing you now, Chad, in the trooper car.
You can take it to
Go
the
ahead.
one in Sandy.
You guys aren't
Can I
gonna like
speak to a
that.
high-up supervisor?
Right. So what we did was that we
we'll
had
get there
like,
in a minute, sir. Alright, sit tight for
I wouldn't say a drug deal, but it was sort of like a drug deal where we all stood around a like a little thing and Dylan said I don't got crap to see to
I
hold
got-
people on.
Financial reports, bank statement, employee papers, and with his signature on it, it looks like it could be for a job or something.
Right. So we did like a meeting
Okay.
at the base at the sawmill. It was like my organization's heads, the organization heads, it's their what do you call it?
This is Grumpy
They're
Lewis.
like
I believe
meeting,
he's the owner of the
but
trucking
because
company.
you know we want to stay
Was there,
clean,
like,
we
a
want to stay
company name on the
unidentified.
papers?
We didn't bring any drugs, guns. Not well, we got guns, but we brought drugs. We didn't bring any drugs or money.
Financially.
I want the highest person here.
Yeah, Div.
Oh.
Do you want people that aren't need anyone to start heading out?
Yes.
They didn't even take
Okay.
my
You
gun
guys
off.
start
So I
to-
could shoot some
Be with you
stuff up.
momentarily.
Did they even show us?
Jesus,
No, I
they
don't
didn't.
I got 1, 2, 3,
Oh.
4, 5, 6, 7 cop cars over here by me.
Why? Why is so attractive to you? I'm so
Wait.
confused. how we
do you have a visor light, by the way, Jordan?
We left the scene
Yeah,
almost
no,
took
it-
off. And then
Yeah, we
I'll
were
see
like,
that.
we were
I'll
still
gave up.
driving when they were trying to pull us over, but
Oh, so what happened to you guys? You got taken to jail?
well,
So
we're
what?
sitting in the
Question
Toledo
holding.
station because there's no holding cell, so
Um,
we're just running around the station.
They the tow
Oh.
truck's bringing it to the parking lot over there at the
They ain't got shit
office.
to hold us on, so.
I don't.
It says
Yeah, well, it's
Yeah, I
gonna
don't
be at
know
the
where
quote
they're
unquote
at.
office
I
if you
just
catch
said
my
just
drift.
wait here, just RP it out like there's a.
Trooper, give
Yeah.
me the highest
Get a
ranking
texture
person
for
here.
this.
There has
I'll
to
try-
be one somewhere.
Sir, just bear with us,
I'll
okay?
try to find one maybe. Send it to Dylan.
Greg, do you have someone
Oh
to send it
shoot,
to?
now I'm frozen.
Yeah.
Oh never mind.
okay.
Oh wait, just head. I'm gonna die in a minute because my character's health is super low for some reason.
Okay.
Oh.
I think they were expecting a huge shootout.
Yeah, that's why they have so many freaking people down here. But
Mm-hmm.
nah, we would have died.
Damn G-Force experience.
Well, I was gonna take 2 of them with me. They ain't got
wonder
shit
if-
on them.
His stuff is in
Yeah, I
the vehicle.
wonder
His
if we're gonna
vehicle
go-
So
is
what
at
we're
the
gonna do
station
now
right there.
is that somebody's gonna
You're
either
on
we
station.
do the
Quote, unquote,
hijacking
you're
thing
at
or
that
we do a
station
bunch
right
of
there.
Alright,
It's at the
why
calls
break any
of
laws running across the
homicides
street?
or drug deals.
No.
We can give you, yeah,
What do-
that's fine.
what
We
do
can give
you-
you a
what
ride.
do you guys
That's
wanna
fine.
do?
That's fine.
Well, I'm about to get off once we get taken out of custody.
Alright.
Well,
They're
on the
just
side of the
sitting.
ro- On the side of the road, I'm like, this y'all need to learn what the Purtle law is.
Yeah.
Because I'm going to start bringing that up in trainings. What?
Yes! I am so good at this, bro. I'm so good at this.
What happened?
I literally told him. He said they had a tip that somebody that there was a drug deal going on, and he said he saw me exchange briefcases because he had a sniper on my head the entire time. So what I
Did they
did,
really
what I
have
did,
a sniper on our heads?
yeah. So what I did was that I said, oh, that person who gave you a tip must check their information because they could get shot or something.
And then did he drive off?
I am so good at this.
Oh, are you trying to kill me today? Again. Flip that time. I would see that.
I'll try my best.
That was
Pit was
close.
not successful. I'll be going for Pit. Pit not successful. Bam, successful. Pit was not successful. It was
Red
not
rage.
Boston.
Oh, I guess we can use road rage now.
I mean, you shoot up a call to.
What are you going to do? A 911 call about it?
Yeah. Now you get to come and argue with me and we fight.
I'm
in
gonna go
middle
to the
of street.
mechanic shop, get it fixed, and I'm gonna go.
Oh.
Your ass.
Come
What?
straight,
Hurry
come
up,
straight
hurry up,
down
hurry up,
here
hurry
and try to ram me, try to ram me, try to ram me, try to ram me, try to ram
Me?
me. Ram me, yes! Ram our vehicles, ram our vehicle. You
What,
with the car
ram
here,
him?
Ram him. Yeah, ram me! Ah, you mother!
You hit
Hey!
me first, man. You hit me
Hey!
first.
Get out of the car!
You hit me first.
Get out of the car!
Hey,
Stop!
shoot
Show
shoot
me
him
your
in the forehead.
hands! Stop!
Shoot him in the forehead. Thank you. Oh my god, man.
Show me your hands!
Stay on the ground. Stay on the ground.
Stay on the
Stay
ground.
on the ground.
Ah, fuck you!
Stay on the
I'm gonna
ground!
kill this guy! I'm gonna kill him! Ah!
Stay on the ground!
Ah!
Get
Ah!
At this
Stay on the
point, I'm
ground.
knocked
Taser, taser.
out.
Ah!
Get on the ground!
Ah!
Get on the ground!
Ah!
Show me your hands, get on the ground!
Oh!
Dang.
I'm in cuffs. What the fuck?
Stay on the ground.
Ah! Fuck you! Fuck!
Stay on the ground. Stop. Get off.
You hit me. Ow!
No.
Alright, I'm just gonna go over here so I'm gonna get beat the shit out of and I'll get on the ground.
Stay on the ground.
Someone get the dude.
Shoot him, man. Oh, God.
Oh,
damn,
no,
his
one
ass.
person.
Ow!
You just
Do
punched
not
me.
move.
He just
Stop.
didn't
Help
me
me.
again. He just
Do
hit me
not
again.
move. Stop. Stop resisting.
Handcuff him.
Just stay on the ground.
Just give up.
Oh my God.
Just beat the fuck out of me.
I mean, you kicked my ass.
Well, I'm
You just
unconscious in the
beat the fuck out of
passenger
Christ.
seat.
Hey,
Who's this guy
sure,
on?
deputy, get the dude in the red.
What is this guy on? Wait, so
Jesus
the prongs
Christ.
hit you and stay in, they can zap you as
Prongs
long
are
as the
you
prongs are
on?
in? Yes, they can. That's how it works.
I got a guy trapped in here.
There a second, dude. Ah, damn it.
Was that illegal what I just did?
Huh?
It wasn't illegal, was it? What I just did?
What's that?
I just whammed the shit out of you.
If it was
No
illegal,
balls.
it was
Yeah.
definitely illegal. That's road rage.
Oh,
Okay, wait.
Try to see if you can back this vehicle up.
and attempted mortal.
Could be.
Oof.
No, I
Maybe
can't.
attempted manslaughter.
Man, don't touch my big Mexican wiener.
Yeah, this guy's always on drugs, so.
Another unit. Damn.
Shield. Bus. Oh. I mean, that was kind of knowledge it, but how I got the car, but, you know, like.
Hold up. I'm gonna see if I can break this one out. Passenger side if I have to.
I need this still.
I'm in here.
Yeah, I'm recording, so I got you. Just Omar just gave you the T-bone. What?
T-bone steak special. What
Is
does that
steak
even
special?
mean?
I don't even know.
Yeah, we might have to pull them out. See if we can back these seats. Let's see if the passenger seats go all the way down. Then I'll try to get this seat.
Someone tase that guy.
Someone tase that guy.
Get
Slide him
hog
out.
tie it. Hog tie him. Hog tie him. Throw him in the back of one of your vehicles.
Okay, Dylan, you're gonna get his try to pull his legs towards
Okay.
torso towards me.
You should choke Blake
3,
again.
2,
I can't choke him if I'm handcuffed.
Oh. I didn't notice that. Oh, he just.
Fuck you.
In a sense, you tackled me. Yes, it is. It says you tackled me for some reason. I'm kind of weak.
Hog tie him. And if he keeps
What's
trying
Fred
to,
one?
if he's using his mouth, put a spit cover on him or something.
Put a spit cover on him. I was fighting him so hard.
Press your F muscle once, and then it'll do that. Yep, there you go.
God, you are crazy, man.
Shoot him in the forehead.
Shoot him in the forehead. There it is. Tell them that I took some drugs or something before, started driving.
Well, I'm passed out. Like that right there would have knocked
Oh.
me cold.
Ah, okay. Me notices a package.
Just want to make sure this guy over here is okay. Yeah. Kind of fell hard.
Man, that dude beat the shit out of me. God damn.
I'm about to really fuck with him. 'Cause my pulse is high, but my heart rate. I mean, my pulse is low, but my heart rate's high.
Huh. I thought they would have used lethal by now. Well, we had a little talk about lethal force. Because really and truly that didn't justify, I'm unarmed, so you can't go lethal for an unarmed person. Baggie with a red light bulb on the package.
Hey, this guy got some red light on him. I'm assuming.
I'm assuming. There it is. Alright, tomorrow's Leo. Going Leo.
Oh, it made it even more interesting for them. They found a card. The male is deaf.
Oh boy.
Oh shit.
Oh boy.
So
just set this on the.
he won't be able to answer
right
any
over
questions, anyways.
Okay.
Yeah.
Medics should be arriving on scene. They were down the road, so medics should be getting the dude from the car at least. This dude, however, yeah, he's going to jail.
Did we search this gray car over here yet?
Good move.
He's
Good luck.
going to jail.
Man, can I get a medic? That fucking crazy ass dude beat the shit out of me.
Yeah,
Hey man, you want to take that side? I'll take the other side.
Hey, you want to pick
Or yeah, I
him
can.
up
We'll
I
and
almost
one
damn
of
shit my
the
pants in the stamp Tahoe.
Damn, that thing looks a little sick though, I'm not gonna lie.
The Tahoe?
That and that Tahoe, and you're about to have a very bad day.
What is Fred 1?
Predator 1.
What service is that?
That's SRU.
Oh, I thought it was
Front is
Apex.
clear.
Hey, who was the trooper that got bit?
You bit a trooper?
That'd be Drake.
Yeah.
Damn,
Who was
jeez,
the
you
trooper
a
that
damn
got
dog?
bit?
God, what
Thank
the
you.
hell?
Okay, what car are you in?
Oh.
What car are you in? Who is this?
This is me.
Right side. Yeah, what car are you in? The one by my Tahoe?
I'm in
one.
this Tahoe.
Okay, fantastic. He's going in this.
Oh,
Wait,
what?
what? Am I being arrested?
I would give Drake
Has medical
so
arrived?
Man, don't touch my big
I
I'm
would give
assuming no
Drake
one else
so
has
much
searched the
stress
red
if they
vehicle
didn't
yet.
hog tie me.
Yeah, you can't get in there.
Oh.
Crawl through the back. Let Toe deal with that.
That does not make any sense.